have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Carlo Quintanar, First Officer Raymond Chua, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. If you have enjoyed this flight as much as we have enjoyed your company and serving you, please do let us know by simply crossing the seatbelt on your seat before you leave. Thank you. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vest, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Once again, thank you for flying with AirAsia and welcome to Mactan, Cebu.